Hi guys, in today's video I will show you exactly how to find the Swift code of the Citibank. So first of all you need to come here on citi.com. Over here simply just use the search bar on the top right hand corner of the screen. Over here you need to look for the article with the query of the Swift code. So here when you type Swift code you are going to see my Swift code, Citibank Swift code. So you can click on any of these articles and you can locate your branch. After that, you can just simply select some of the information and get your Swift code from the official website of the Citibank. Now, the second method that you can use is you can just simply come here on the another website, which is from Wise. It is called bank.codes. Over here, you need to just simply provide these details. First of all, select your country. After that, you will have to select the name of your bank, which is in our case is the Citibank. Then you need to simply select the city and it is going to show you the Swift code as per the information that you have selected. So this way you will be able to find your Citibank Swift code in no time. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.